What's up, guys? Today I thought I would vlog my rainy day experience. Normally this is an outdoor channel, obviously, but it's been raining for 40 days and 40 nights. So I decided I was gonna do just a little vlog today. Show you guys what happens on a rainy day around these parts. Not much going on. It's like, I think it's like 11:30 or something like that, and my kids have been playing all morning, and you know, I had coffee and all the normal mom things, cleaning up around the house, doing some paperwork and stuff. There's a river. Don't mind this messy room. I've been purging this entire month, trying to get rid of so many things. I don't know, like I'm becoming less and less materialistic at this point, and so I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying getting rid of all the stuff, but I just got a shower. That's why I'm in a robe. I usually would not come on here with a robe on, but yeah, I just got a shower. I haven't fixed my hair or anything, but I decided to put on makeup because I wanted to like feel a little bit more alive. We're congested, all three of us. Where's Wyatt? There he is. And yeah, we had a lot going on over the weekend, so I think we brought something home. No, you can't touch the paperwork, honey. Can't touch paperwork. So yeah, we're a little congested, but it's fine. Right now I'm cooking some dino nuggets in the stove for the kids. Normally I'm a crunchy mom and I wouldn't cook dino nuggets, but I'm not feeling that today, okay? I'm not feeling that way, so we're gonna eat some dino nuggets. I need to work out a little bit today while it is raining and we don't have much going on. I spent my entire Monday cleaning this house from like 8 to 8. I cleaned this house, and so, whoa girl. So, there's not much else going on. Of course, the kids are playing, so it's getting messed up again, but that's fine. It's a daily occurrence. But today we're just gonna hang low, and yeah, I'm gonna do those things. Is it good, guys? You like your nuggets? You like your dino nuggets?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Say nuggets.
Yeah, she likes them too. So does Mama. It's yeah, really nasty outside. I don't want to say nasty. It's not nasty, but it's obviously not the best, most enlightening kind of day, but we're enjoying the downtime, I guess. And here's my living room. It was clean at one point, but now you see the chaos. I decided their playroom is not insulated. Behind this wall is where their playroom is, and it's not insulated, so I decided just to bring a bucket of their toys in here today, and I think they're enjoying it a lot better in here because it's just a lot warmer. Okay, and I also ordered Walmart, and I got an Amazon package. Okay, well, River is down for a nap, and they just had lunch. Wyatt is watching farmers on YouTube, and so I come back here to the office because I think I'm going to work out a little bit while I have the time. It's kind of gotten heavier as far as rain outside, so I'm not going to get outside right now and stick the deer camera up, which in essence it's not going to take that long, but it's raining pretty heavily, and if it doesn't slow down, that's fine. I probably won't end up going outside. But I need to start working out. Okay, so I've actually not opened up this ignition before. I haven't used it, but I'm going to test it out today, and we're going to see how much I like it. Like I said, when it comes to First Form, I've used their greens, and what else have I used? Their collagen. I did get their Goddess supplements, but I have yet to take those just because. But I did get some Ignition, which is a really hot one. So I'm going to do that. And you're supposed to do pre-workout is half a scoop of Ignition with 1 scoop Formula 1, 6 ounces of water. Okay, so you mix it for lifting females. Oh, okay. Use 1/4 a scoop of Ignition with half a scoop of Formula 1 in a 4-ounce water. I'm just going to use 1/4 a scoop of this because I don't have Formula 1. But I'm just going to put this in there with it. So if I can find the scoop here. Where's my scoop? I hate when the scoop gets buried in the bottom and you can't find it. Hold on, I might have a... there may not be one in here. I may just have to go get a 4th measuring spoon. Right. That's a lot. Okay. It's bubbling. That's weird. Okay, so because I don't really have taste or smell all that well, I can't really say if it's gonna be good or not. But if it's really bad, I'll definitely know. I don't taste a thing. Which that could be a good thing, we don't know, but I don't taste a thing. That's crazy. So if you are on a fitness journey, like I am right now, and you're needing something to kind of help you along the way, try First Form out. I definitely am enjoying the products that I've tried so far, and we're gonna see what this Ignition does today and how it pumps me up for a workout, because like I said, I'm feeling blah up here, and it's rainy outside and it's just kind of a bad day, so I needed a boost, and hopefully this is gonna do the trick. Ugh, but we're gonna get to working out now.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
workouts, just a few arm workouts. I'm gonna do a little ab now, and yeah, that's about it. I think the rain has slowed up just a little bit. It's like really misty, but it's like a heavy mist, so I'm gonna try to at least set up the deer camera. Because I've got some animals that we need to figure out what's going on at nighttime around the house outside.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your.
Oh my gosh, so you guys remember that one of the last hunts that I went on before deer season closed, where I fell off of that like tri-stand chair? Well, I severely, like, when I try to explain it to people, I'm like, I severely injured myself. I played it off well, like it didn't hurt that bad, but I really injured myself, and I'm pretty sure that my tailbone got a lot of the beat down on that one, because I'm still feeling it. I can't like do sit-ups or lay a certain way without my tailbone, like the very top of it, hurting really bad. So I think I bruised it severely deep or something. I don't even know. But that last workout hurt. So I actually have another way that I do ab workouts here at the house, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. If you have a sectional in your living room like I do, maybe you can do this too.
Tractor has huge tires. Wow.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
What do you know? My camera died. I gotta get some more batteries, guys, and I've been slacking on that so much. But while my camera was charging, I was getting some social media stuff done for the day. So I still want to go outside. I do really need to set up the deer camera and get it squared away. It's just so nasty outside, and after that workout, my head started to feel a lot more bad. So I don't really know if I should go outside. I think I'm gonna wait to do a lot of things for next week, because next week I don't think it's really supposed to rain at all, and the temperatures are gonna be a little bit higher. So just in case I am on the verge of getting sick, I'm not gonna push the matter and get myself more sick. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week. I think I'm supposed to go hiking next week. So I might have a hiking video out for you guys, but I also have a couple DIYs around the house that I need to do, and I want to include you in on those too. So, happy January, everybody. Next month is my birthday month, and I'm dedicating the entire month to working out every single day and kind of just focusing everything on that. So we'll see how it goes. It's just kind of like a personal challenge for myself that I decided, just because it is my birthday month. So I thought for my birthday month, I want to feel good and all these things. So I'm just going to go ahead and work out every single day, whether it's 10 minutes or 2 hours. I'm gonna start this off because it's been a while. So this was the first workout today that I've had in a hot minute because we've been sick forever, and then we got busy, and like I said, I've been ransacking this house out, cleaning all the rooms, deep cleaning, like doing so many things, just trying to get prepped for the year to start. So it's a good time to do that when it's like rainy and groggy outside. It's just a good time to purge and clean and organize and get things squared away so that you just don't have to worry about it for the months to come. But anywho, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.